If you remember the last video we posted on our page, I said Eshu is Satan. But along the line, I discovered a book written by Israel Ayanwuyi, which says Eshu is not Satan. I read it, I was able to digest, and I was able to know that people from the Abrahamic religion, whether on purpose or not, were the ones that translated Eshu as Satan. And I was able to know that Eshu is actually a deity, an Orisha in the Yoruba indigenous religion. I was able to differentiate and also identify or know the identity of Eshu from the concept of Satan. I will implore you to actually get a copy of this book, read it, and let me know what you think in the comment section. To get a copy of this book, you can order online from Roving Heights Books in Nigeria, or you can go to their bookstore in Lagos, Ibadan, Abuja, even Kaduna, the other. If you're outside Nigeria, you can get your copy on Amazon. Even if you're in Nigeria, you can actually get your copy from Amazon. So read this book and let me know what you think in the comment section.